Did you know that the way you consume turmeric could make or break its health benefits? While turmeric is celebrated worldwide as a superfood, not many people realize that pairing it with the wrong foods can turn it from a healing agent into a potential health hazard. Shocking, right? You might be unknowingly making these dangerous combinations in your daily meals. In today's video, we'll uncover 3 food combinations you should never eat with turmeric because they can reduce its effectiveness or worse, have harmful effects on your body. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. From golden milk to curries, this bright yellow spice is packed with powerful compounds like curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. People swear by its ability to boost immunity, improve digestion, and even support brain function. But here's what most people don't know. Combining turmeric with certain foods can actually block its benefits or cause unwanted side effects. You might be thinking, turmeric is natural and healthy. How can it possibly be bad for me? Well, the answer lies in food synergy, the way different foods interact inside your body. In this video, we'll not only reveal 3 dangerous food combinations with turmeric, but also explain the science behind why they don't mix well. We'll back it up with research, expert opinions, and easy solutions so you can keep enjoying turmeric safely. So make sure you watch till the end because mistake number 3 is something almost everyone unknowingly makes. Let's get started. Before we get into the dangerous food combinations, let's first understand why turmeric is such a powerful ingredient. Turmeric's main active compound, curcumin, is responsible for most of its health benefits. This natural chemical has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce chronic inflammation, which is the root cause of many diseases like arthritis, heart problems, and even cancer. That's why people use turmeric as a natural remedy for joint pain, digestive issues, and immune support. One of the biggest reasons turmeric is popular is because of its role in boosting immunity. Curcumin has been shown to enhance the activity of immune cells, helping the body fight infections more effectively. This is why many people drink turmeric tea or golden milk during cold and flu season. In addition to its immune benefits, turmeric is also known for its brain-boosting effects. Research suggests that curcumin may help prevent cognitive decline, improve memory, and even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. It's like a natural brain fuel that keeps your mind sharp as you age. Another amazing benefit of turmeric is its impact on digestion. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric has been used for centuries to aid digestion, reduce bloating, and promote gut health. It stimulates bile production, which helps break down fats and improves nutrient absorption. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe an irritated gut, making it helpful for people with conditions like IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, or acid reflux. But here's the catch. Not all foods mix well with turmeric. Some foods can block its absorption, while others can trigger unwanted side effects. So now that we know why turmeric is considered a superfood, let's talk about the 3 deadly food combinations that can turn this healing spice into a health risk. Stay tuned as we reveal the first dangerous food combo, and trust me, you'll be surprised by what it is. Turmeric is widely known for its healing properties, but here's something most people don't realize. It doesn't work the same way with every food. In fact, some food combinations can actually block turmeric's benefits or even cause harmful side effects. Sounds surprising, right? But it all comes down to how turmeric interacts with other ingredients inside your body. The key reason behind this is a concept called food synergy, which refers to how different foods either enhance or interfere with each other's effects. For example, turmeric's most powerful component, curcumin, is notoriously hard for the body to absorb. If you don't pair it with the right ingredients, most of it just passes through your system without giving you the full benefits. That's why people are advised to combine turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats, because these ingredients significantly boost curcumin absorption. But while some foods improve turmeric's power, others can do the opposite, either blocking its absorption or causing side effects. Another important factor is how turmeric interacts with different enzymes and compounds in certain foods. Some combinations can make turmeric too strong, leading to digestive issues, blood thinning, or even toxicity in extreme cases. Others can neutralize curcumin's benefits, making your turmeric intake almost useless. The problem is that many people don't know these risky combinations, and they continue to make these mistakes daily. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to avoid pairing with turmeric. Now let's dive into the first dangerous food combination. This might be something you consume regularly without realizing the risks. The first food combination you should never eat with turmeric is dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. You might be wondering, but wait, isn't turmeric milk a popular remedy for colds and inflammation? Yes, turmeric milk, or golden milk, is widely used. But here's the shocking truth: not all dairy products mix well with turmeric, and in some cases they can completely cancel out its benefits. Let's break this down. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. However, dairy products, especially pasteurized milk and processed cheese, contain casein, a protein that reduces curcumin absorption. This means that instead of getting the full anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits of turmeric, your body absorbs much less of it when consumed with dairy. But that's not all. Certain dairy products like heavy cream or processed cheese can trigger inflammation in people who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy. This creates a contradiction. You're consuming turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits, but at the same time, dairy could be increasing inflammation in your body. This is especially concerning for people with arthritis, digestive issues, or autoimmune diseases, where inflammation is already a problem. Another reason why dairy and turmeric don't mix well is the way curcumin dissolves in fat. While turmeric does need some form of fat for better absorption, the saturated fat in dairy isn't the best option. Studies suggest that plant-based fats like coconut oil or olive oil are much better at enhancing curcumin absorption than dairy-based fats. This is why swapping cow's milk for almond milk or coconut milk and golden milk is a smarter and healthier choice. And if you're someone who regularly adds turmeric to yogurt or cheese-based dishes, you might want to reconsider. While the combination isn't immediately harmful, it significantly lowers turmeric's effectiveness, making it almost useless. So if you want to get the full benefits of turmeric, avoid pairing it with high casein dairy products and opt for plant-based alternatives instead. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's surprising, but what's the next dangerous food combination? Well, the next one is something people consume every day, and the consequences are even more shocking. Keep watching to find out. The second food combination you should never eat with turmeric is high-acid foods like tomatoes, citrus fruits, and vinegar-based dishes. This might surprise you because both turmeric and acidic foods are often praised for their health benefits. However, when combined, they can negatively impact digestion and reduce turmeric's effectiveness. Here's why. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is pH sensitive, meaning it doesn't react well to extreme acidity. When you consume turmeric with highly acidic foods like lemon orange juice or vinegar, the acidic environment breaks down curcumin molecules, making them less bioavailable. In simple terms, your body absorbs far less of turmeric's benefits when it's mixed with acidic foods. But that's not the only issue. Consuming too much acid with turmeric can also cause digestive discomfort. Turmeric is known to stimulate bile production, which is great for digestion, but when combined with acidic foods, it can irritate the stomach lining. This is especially problematic for people who suffer from acid reflux, gastritis, or ulcers. If you've ever felt a burning sensation after eating turmeric-based dishes, it might be because it was paired with acidic foods. Another risk of combining turmeric with acidic foods is iron absorption interference. Turmeric already has mild iron-blocking properties, but when consumed with acidic foods, this effect intensifies. This means that people who are anemic or have low iron levels should be extra cautious. If you regularly eat turmeric with tomato-based curries, vinegar dressings, or citrus-infused dishes, you could be reducing your body's ability to absorb iron, leading to fatigue, weakness, and low energy levels. So what should you do instead? Instead of mixing turmeric with highly acidic ingredients, balance it with neutral or slightly alkaline foods. If you're making a turmeric dish, avoid too much tomato paste or vinegar. Instead, use healthy fats like olive oil or coconut oil to enhance absorption. And if you love turmeric tea, swap lemon juice for black pepper. This way you still get the benefits without reducing curcumin's effectiveness. Now you might be wondering, if dairy and acidic foods don't pair well with turmeric, what else should you avoid? Well, the third food combination is something millions of people consume daily without realizing the risks. It might even be sitting in your kitchen right now. The third and final food combination that you should avoid with turmeric is certain medications and blood-thinning foods like aspirin, ibuprofen, or green tea. This is one of the most dangerous interactions because it can lead to serious health risks if ignored. Here's why. Turmeric is a natural blood thinner, which means it helps prevent blood clots and improve circulation. This can be a great benefit for people looking to reduce inflammation or lower their risk of heart disease. However, when combined with medications that also thin the blood, such as aspirin, ibuprofen, or anticoagulants like warfarin, the effects can become too strong, increasing the risk of excessive bleeding, bruising, or even internal hemorrhaging. But medications aren't the only concern. Some natural foods and drinks also have blood-thinning properties. For example, green tea, garlic, ginger, and even certain herbal supplements can enhance turmeric's blood-thinning effects, making it too powerful for the body to handle. If you consume turmeric with green tea or ginger shots daily, you could unknowingly be increasing your risk of bleeding disorders, especially if you're taking medications. Another hidden danger is for pregnant women or people preparing for surgery. Doctors advise against consuming turmeric before surgery because it can slow down blood clotting. If you're pregnant, turmeric's blood-thinning effects could also pose a risk during delivery. So if you're taking any blood-thinning medication or are at risk of bleeding disorders, it's best to consult your doctor before using turmeric regularly. So what's the best way to consume turmeric safely? If you take blood thinners or frequently consume foods like green tea and garlic, try to moderate your turmeric intake. Instead of high doses, stick to small amounts in food and avoid concentrated turmeric supplements unless prescribed. And if you're preparing for surgery, pause turmeric intake at least 2 weeks before your procedure to avoid complications. Now that we've covered all 3 dangerous food combinations, you might be wondering, what are the best ways to maximize turmeric's benefits safely? Stay tuned for the next section where we bust common myths and reveal the best food pairings for turmeric absorption. By now, we've covered the 3 food combinations you should never eat with turmeric, but there's still a lot of misinformation floating around about this powerful spice. Let's bust some of the biggest myths and set the record straight so you can get the most out of turmeric without the risks. You can eat turmeric anyway and still get its benefits. One of the biggest misconceptions is that turmeric works no matter how you consume it. Many people add turmeric to their smoothies, teas, or dishes without realizing that curcumin, the main active compound, is very difficult for the body to absorb. If you're consuming turmeric without a fat source or black pepper, your body is likely absorbing only a tiny fraction of its benefits. More turmeric means more health benefits. Another common belief is that the more turmeric you consume, the healthier you'll be. But that's not entirely true. While turmeric has incredible health properties, taking it in excessive amounts, especially in supplement form, can lead to stomach issues, nausea, and even liver problems over time. Moderation is key. Instead of overloading on turmeric, focus on consuming it the right way with foods that enhance absorption. Turmeric alone can cure diseases. There's no doubt that turmeric is a powerful natural remedy, but some people mistakenly believe it can cure conditions like arthritis, cancer, or heart disease on its own. The truth is, while turmeric supports overall health, it should be seen as part of a balanced diet rather than a magic cure. If you're dealing with a chronic condition, always consult your doctor before relying on turmeric as a treatment. Now that we've busted these myths, let's move on to the final section where we'll summarize everything and give you some practical takeaways to apply in your daily routine. We've covered a lot in this video, so let's quickly recap the key points. Turmeric is an amazing superfood with powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive benefits, but combining it with the wrong foods can either cancel out its benefits or cause unwanted side effects. The 3 food combinations you should avoid with turmeric are dairy products. They reduce curcumin absorption and can even trigger inflammation in some people. Highly acidic foods, citrus fruits, tomatoes, and vinegar can break down curcumin and cause digestive discomfort. Blood-thinning medications and foods. Green tea, aspirin, and certain supplements can increase the risk of excessive bleeding when combined with turmeric. So what's the best way to consume turmeric safely? Always pair it with healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, or avocado, and a pinch of black pepper to boost its absorption. If you're taking medications, check with your doctor before consuming high doses of turmeric. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Did any of these turmeric facts surprise you? Drop a comment below and let me know which food combination shocked you the most. Also, if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.